this ever happen to you?
I hate this alarm clock.
Or
Wake up! Time for school! Come on!
I hate
Come on, Martin, get up already!
annoying fashion.
then you will use
The peaceful alarm clock!
instead of being very annoying and loud like your alarm clock or your parents, 50 minutes before your selected time, the alarm clock goes off, but at a very low level in which you can barely recognize. And as time gets closer to your selected time, it will increase in volume, waking you up.
Now it's time to sleep and see if it works.
This is great. I wasn't annoyed at all.
It comes in various colors such as blue,
Royal blue.
azul, blau, slightly darker blue, and finally, ocean blue. This product is great. Just listen to these satisfied customers.
I, Seitang Wang, was very satisfied with this product. I was never late to school.
I love it. It's so much better than waking up to shake yourself in the morning.
I had a dream that one day people will wake up peacefully. And now today, that dream has become a reality.
Everyone should go buy it. Go Bulls!
If you want the peaceful alarm clock, you only have to pay a low price of $24.95, and if you order now, we will pay for shipping and handling. Call 1-800-000-3695 to order your peaceful alarm clock now.